This NEC vintage computer was listed for sale on Facebook Marketplace. It came with the original Invoice from 1986, but there were three problems. It cost too much money, the seller says it beeps when he turns it on, he can't confirm it works, and he's moving house right now, and if someone doesn't get it, he's going to put it into the skip bin. I knew I had to rescue it. It would be a crime if this was thrown out, so I sent him a message. Within minutes of seeing it, my friend started messaging me that it was now on eBay. It's the middle of the work week. He says if I can drive down right now, I can have it. So I jump in the car, I get onto another Melbourne freeway and head down to Patterson Lakes. When I get there, he tells me he had several people message him, but they didn't turn up. The first guy didn't turn up, the second guy wants to hold it for him, and he was sick of Facebook Marketplace and unreliable people, and I just happened to be next in line. He also told me that someone came and bought the NEC Multisync monitor that went with the computer from him, and he had no way to see if the computer still worked. I was so disappointed, as I firmly believe these things should not be separated. But anyway, someone took the monitor and they left the computer. Post in the comments, do you agree or disagree with me on this one? I'd be interested to know, just from a conservation point of view. I like to see things remain together, but I understand if someone wants to pick and choose what they want to buy as well. But for me, that's what I think. What do you guys reckon? I could be completely wrong about this. We're talking about 35 years worth of dust and dirt, but this computer was in pretty good condition, considering some of the other computers I see, except for these 4 spots on top of the case where the monitor was resting. The keyboard was very, very dirty and needed a good clean with disinfectant, isopropyl alcohol and magic eraser. I also had to go through the keyboard cable a few times and ensure the dirt was removed from the rings. This whole thing took 45 minutes and cleaning this dirt was just impossible. It was caked onto the keyboard. After unscrewing the case and taking the lid off, I can see a very minty computer. The video card is clean. The motherboard is pretty much dust-free. The only thing that stands out is this replacement battery box, which the original owner told me he replaced about 20 years ago. So I'll have to open that up at some point and who knows what I'm going to find inside. It turns on, beeps twice, and then nothing. I suspect it has something to do with the switches on the back of the video card, and I need to find some documentation to explain what those things actually do. Now to go through the paperwork, and I see the warranty and the invoice. Now the seller did tell me he was an employee of NEC and this was his staff purchase back in 1989. This was his first computer ever. Talk about a piece of history. All he asked for was his name to be blanked out, so he got a pen and scrubbed it out and gave me that invoice. I wonder if I can claim on their warranty. What do you guys think? Worth rescuing or nightmare? Hit me up in the comments and I'll see you on the next one.